Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS padding. And right now we'll be discussing about the CSS padding shorthand property. To shorten the code, it is possible to specify all the padding properties in one property. The padding property is a shorthand property for the following individual padding properties. As you can see, all this. So just to specify padding, we are using padding dash top, padding dash right, padding dash bottom, and the padding dash left, right? But right here, if you don't want to use all this, you cannot just specify the padding property single-handedly and specify your colon immediately after this, and you can write top, bottom, and so on and so forth. Now that's not what I'm talking about. And specify your padding and give it top, right, bottom, and what, and the left. So in our next tutorial, we are going to be exploring this in deep details. Please, I want you guys to focus on this because this is so nice when you are using it. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time. I don't want this tutorial to get too long. That's why I'm doing all this. Have a great day. Thank you so much, and to the next. Bye bye. Peace and love.